Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty Mabuyu recipe known as Baobab candy. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 kg of baobab seeds. You're also going to need 2.5 cups of baobab powder, 3 tablespoons of red food coloring, or you can use any other color that you prefer, 750 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and lastly some strawberry essence, or you can use any other essence that you like. In a medium large pot, you're going to add 800 milliliter of water, which is approximately to 3 cups. Then you're also going to add a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of strawberry essence, or you can use any other essence that you prefer, 750 grams of sugar, and lastly 3 tablespoons of red food coloring, and mix everything well and let it to cook on high heat. Let the syrup to cook on a high heat till you see a lot of bubbles popping up like this. Keep on stirring while the syrup is cooking till it becomes a bit sticky, but not much sticky, or else your mabuyu will become too hard and that's not good. Once your syrup starts to thicken and it starts to become sticky, then your syrup is ready and remove it from the fire. Afterwards, you're going to pour the hot syrup into the mabuyu. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till the mabuyu are nicely coated with the syrup. So I decided to exchange a large bowl because my bowl was too small. Then continue pouring the syrup while mixing till the mabuyu are nicely coated with the syrup. So as you can see in the video, my syrup is not too thick. That's how it should be, so that the mabuyu don't become too hard. Lastly, you're going to pour the baobab powder. Pour a bit by a bit till the mabuyu are nicely coated and they start to crystallize. I've used approximately 2.5 cups of baobab powder. You can use more or less, it depends on your mabuyu. Once your mabuyu are nicely coated and starts to crystallize like this, then your mabuyu are ready. Pour the mabuyu on a large plate or a tray so that the mabuyu can dry completely. After about 2 to 3 hours, my mabuyu have completely cooled down. They're nicely coated and they're so tasty. These mabuyu are so tasty, and enjoy your strawberry mabuyu. For those in Europe and they're interested in these mabuyu or achari, you can email me or you can message me via my Instagram or Facebook, and you can get this mabuyu and achari at affordable price. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, Or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.